Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change Canva ruler from inches to centimeter. Now if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, first of all, open your Canva design. Now go over here on top left and click on resize. Okay, now click on custom resize. Check this box and here click on this drop down arrow and select centimeter. Okay, now click on copy and resize. It will take a few moments. Okay, now it is over. Click on open. As you can see, the ruler is changed from inches to centimeter. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.